Hopefully now we're back. Alright, is it back? Are we back? Okay, I think it's back now. Okay, I have no idea what happened. I am sorry about that. I think something like bugged out with the PlayStation. Um, alright, let's continue. Whoops, did not mean to push that. This is a clusterfuck, man. Oh my god, there's more of them! God, we just got into a huge, like, freaking mosh fight over here. I don't even know how. Alright, now to get everyone naked. Everyone gets naked now. I don't care. Everyone gets naked. You get naked, and you get naked! Okay, this fight's getting like way too long.
Let's get this Killjoy.
Alright, someone. Okay, you have something that I can take off.
Who do you think you are?
Oh, I can take off your pants too. Wait, what? Okay. I want your pants. Give me your pants! Give me your pants! Thank you. Thank you for your pants. Now, get down, you crazy little monkey. Alright, now give me your hat. Because apparently that's the only thing keeping you from being in the sun. Oh wait, you're not a vampire, you're just a normal person. What? What the? What? 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 What?
What do you think you're doing? I'll take that.
No, police lady. I'm not trying to be bad. He was inside of you. He was inside of you. Okay, I gotta get the hell out of here. This is a huge cluster. Huge clusterfuck. There we go. Hey, nope. Everybody. Leave. Everybody go. I'm out. Alrighty. We're out. Oh no! Why can't I leave? Where am I at? I don't know where I'm at. Where am I? Oh god, I'm getting triple teamed! Somebody help me! Coco, help me! I don't want to die this early! Oh, here we go. Let's leave, Coco. We're leaving. Why can't I leave? Why can't I leave?
Let's do this. Okay.
Not you, dang it! Not you, police lady! This guy! Give me your clothes! Oh.
Let's go.
Crap. Give me your clothes. Thank you. Alright. Anyone else notice there's like way too many people to fight? I just started this game! Oh, wait, are you dangerous? Oh, okay, you can go now. Bye. Oh, dang it. There's too many people. Everyone just gets punched. Dude, you... Oh, okay, okay, I'm just gonna leave you alone. Police lady, stop messing with us. Look at all this. Look at all this crazy. All these shirtless boys. Just cluster of them.
Let's go.
Take dirty hands off of me.
Stop. Let's go.
Darn it. Give me your pants. Give me your pants. Give me your pants. Give me your pants. Thank you. You can go now. Give me a shirt. Give me your shirt. Not you. Him. Him. Not you. Striped shirt. Come here.
Come on.
Alright, that's it. That's it. Everybody gets knocked in the face. There. Give me your striped shirt. There you go. Now you can go. Everybody gets a beat down. Everybody gets a beat down. You get a beat down. You get a beat down. Give me your head. Wait. Oh, your pants. Your pants are takeable. Give me your pants. Oh, you were a vampire. No, you're dead. Oh wait, I can take your pants. Give me your pants. Give me, no! I want his pants. Give me his pants. How do I win those? Oh, come here. You just have a head thing. Come here.
Come on.
This was a huge fight I did not want to get into. Huge fight, did not want to get into. Oh, come here. I can get your head off now. And now you're burning. Oh wait, someone over here can take something off.
I'll take that.
Don't touch me.
Not you. This guy. This guy. Right here. Right here. I want him. Not him. This guy right here. There we go. Oh, I can take your pants off. Give me your pants. Thank you. This fight has been going on way too long.
Let's go.
Toko, I'm gonna need you to like seriously kick this boy's butt.
I do.
Alright, now he's dead. Now he's dead.
Come on.
Guys, there's more people!
Let's go.
Alright, that's it. Take your shirt. Nope. Give me your shirt. Give me your shirt. Give me your pants. Give me your pants. No, you're dead. I got so many weapons now. No more people over here, please. We don't need any more. Hello, office lady. What are you doing? What are you doing, office lady? Give me your shirt, office lady. Are you feeling a little exposed, office lady? That's because you're exposed. Were you a vampire? Oh my god, you were a vampire, office lady!
Let's go. Why you?
Where am I at? Where am I at? Where am I? Leave me alone. Is everyone back? I can't tell. Oh my god, I'm getting so beat down. Oh god, I need to get out of here. I need to get out. I need to get out. I need to get out. There we go. Oh, give me your shirt. Give me your pants now. Oh wait, I can take something of him. Give me something. Give me your pants now. Give me your pants. Give me your pants. There we go. I'm stealing everybody's clothes. The camera was a little less wonky. Oh, I can take your pants now.
Why you?
What are you doing? Let's do this.
Strip, 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 strip.
Give me that.
I mean, Lily, how is like her hat the only thing that's keeping her alive? She's just pecking out like a crazy person. More people, really? Give me your hat. There you go. Now you're a vampire. How many more people do we have left? Oh, I need your pants. I need your clothes. I need your clothes for the greater good, sir. Oh wait, I can take stuff off of him. Wait, come here. Come here. I can take stuff off of you.
What are you doing?